Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome back. Today I have an iPhone that is completely unresponsive. What happened was I left it out in the sun. It overheated. I let it cool down, but when I came back to try to use it, nothing would work. The screen is totally unresponsive. No swipes, no pushing buttons, nothing would work. So I thought, okay, no problem. I'll just do a hard reset. So I push the right button, and so you push and hold, and then you push and hold the up volume. So now you bring up your power off screen. What you should just be able to do is swipe to the right. Unfortunately, because the screen is unresponsive, that doesn't work either. So there's another solution. All right, and that solution is this. On your phone, it's going to be a quick touch of the volume up, a quick touch of the volume down, and then push and hold the right button. So that'll bring up your power off screen, but just keep holding until that goes black, and that should take a second or two. There, it's gone black. And then we're going to keep holding until the Apple logo comes up. Now, at this point, I would take a minute to subscribe to my channel and to hit that like button. Maybe leave a comment about, hey, wow, this guy's so helpful. All right, there's our screen back in business. Let's enter our password, and that works. And we're back to our home screen, and we are good to go. So that's all we have for today. Again, I hope you liked it. I hope that was helpful. It's quick and easy. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks again. We'll talk to you next time. This has been Steve for things that even I can do.